how to disable email suggested content notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable email suggested content notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here you will find library. Click on it and then click on the top corner, and here you will find settings and the notifications. Now just scroll down until you find suggested content. Now just click on it, disable it, and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, suggested content have been turned off, and that's how to disable it. And that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.